Coliseum. For those who didn't come, man, you missed out on an awesome night.
What you'll have to understand is people sacrifice their lives to spread the love of Jesus throughout the earth. And you mean to tell me you're more worried about what other people may think or believe? What if Jesus was more concerned about other people's opinions than the salvation you receive? See, I'm convinced that Jesus Christ is the rock. I don't need Jay-Z or the Dynasty to show me how to rock that fella. My whole lifestyle's giving him props.
What's your favorite word when it's lukewarm and lame? Cause you can't make a difference in a place where you walk, talk, and smell like the very thing you trying to change. So come on.
It was the whole cast of them ministered to me. Each one made my hair stand up. Each one made my eyes water.
It was like God speaking directly to my heart tonight.
Cats really need to know like the truth of Jesus Christ, and like it's really serious out there because we got people dying every day that don't know the true gospel.